We begin with a weather alert. Heavy rain and high winds are hitting the coast tonight. It's causing power outages and some flooding in low-lying areas.
Let's first check in with our Jacqueline Abad, who's live on the coast in Seaside to show us some of the damage. Oh, Jacqueline, it is wet out there.
Yeah, Dan, Jennifer, I'm pretty much soaked. I've been here all day long. We're just off Highway 101 in this amusement park parking lot. Take a look. I'm standing ankle deep in water right now, and since we've been out here, the water has risen just a bit. And if you take a look here on Highway 101, that's what some drivers are having to deal with.
I don't know why everybody's out right now anyway, because there's water over the road.
From Cannon Beach to Astoria, the wind and rain are causing problems.
No, the water has come up substantially in the last few hours. So that's when I said, okay, we got to get the sandbags out.
Ann Acton works here at this garden center along Highway 101 in Seaside.
Yeah, this is the most it's been for a couple years. Yeah, I haven't sandbagged for several.
On our drive to the coast, we saw a down power line, and through Warrenton, we saw multiple traffic lights out. Electrical crews are out most of the day trying to restore power. This morning, Pacific Power said there were about 14,000 customers without power in Seaside and Cannon Beach. And over in Astoria,
It was wild.
The wind was roaring in the trees.
Yeah.
It roared all night long.
Yeah. Horizontal rain. The power went out a couple of times briefly.
but for a moment this afternoon, the wind died down and some took advantage of it.
It's great. We love the storms. There's a lot of precautions you have to take, but it's the wild coast, and we love it.
If you are planning on driving out to the coast, just be careful because there are parts of Highway 26 and Highway 101 that do have high water on them. So just be alert if you are driving out here. Now, the number of people without power has significantly dropped from this morning. At last check, Pacific Power says about 1,100 customers still are without power from Cannon Beach up to Astoria. So we'll keep an eye on that. Reporting live in Seaside, Jacqueline Abad, KOIN 6 News.